Hello friends, today we are continuing chapter number 11, class 12th, chemistry exercise. There are two important questions from exercise we are going to discuss today. Both have almost similar concepts, but we have to explain them. We have to write them separately. So first question is question number 11.4, fourth question of exercise, in which the question is given propanol and butane. Two substances are there, propanol and butane. We have to compare these two substances and prove that the propanol has higher boiling point than butane. Butane has lower boiling point. When any substance start to boil, it convert from liquid to gas. That temperature is to be set the boiling point. So here the comparison between propan-1-ol or propanol and butane. So first of all, friends, why these two substances are taken of different number of carbons? You can see propane, it's CH3, CH2, CH2 and OH. This is propan-1-ol. This is 1, 2, 3, C3, H3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and OH. This is the molecular formula of propanol, propan-1-ol. And friends, for butane, it's CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. It's C4H10. So very basic question is there, why this two different number of carbons are compared here? The reason is that, friends, both have similar molecular masses. If you find the molecular mass of propanol, it's 3 times carbon, 7 times oxygen, and 7 times hydrogen, 1 oxygen, and 1 hydrogen at last. So 3 into 12, 7 into 1, oxygen's atomic mass is 16 plus 1. This is 36 plus 7 plus 16 plus 1. So here the answer of molecular mass is 36 plus 7. It's 43, 43 plus 17. So this is 60 gram per mole or 60 AMU or 60 unit. This is, friends, molecular mass of propanol. If we think for butane, it's 4 into 12 plus 10 into 1. 4, 12 is 48 plus 10. This is 58 gram per mole. So friends, now this is clear that 60 and 58, this is the nearest molecular masses. And that's why this is, friends, compared. Now let's find out why this, out of this two, propanol has higher boiling point than, friends, butane. So very simple thing you have to understand is, friends, for boiling point, propanol has a very important characteristic that is called intermolecular hydrogen bond is present here, friends. How this bond can be formed? So this is, friends, OH. This is C3H7. So propanol can be written like this: C3H7OH. This is one molecule of propanol. This is another molecule of propanol. And friends, so on. You can see hydrogen of one propanol and oxygen of its neighbor molecule have specific attraction force, and this attraction force is to be said, friends, intermolecular hydrogen bond, which makes propanol more stable. This is the one reason. Second reason is, friend, OH bond is polarity creating, or polar bond is there. Why polar bond? Because friends, in OH bond, oxygen is partially positive, that is minus, oxygen is partially negative, that is minus delta. Hydrogen is partially positive, it is called, friends, plus delta. This is the another reason why propanol is higher in boiling point, friends. If we think for butane, in butane, friends, it's CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, or C4H10. This is non-polar. Carbon and hydrogen both are, friends, nearby in their electronegativity. That's why this bond is non-polar. One thing. Second thing is, friend, there is no intermolecular attraction force present in it like alcohol, or we can say it's very weak. That's why propanol has higher boiling point compared to butane. This comparison, friends, is to be proved. The propanol's boiling point is 391 Kelvin, which is not to be remembered. And friends, butane has 309 Kelvin. Temperature values are not important, friends, not to be remembered, but why these values are differ, that is to be learned, that is to be understood. So this is the point you have to remember. 2 points only. 1 point is, friends, about intermolecular hydrogen bond, and second point is polarity. So this is question number 11 point from 4 from your textbook. Let's go for the next one. Friends, next question is 11.5 from, once again, exercise. The question is, why alcohols are more soluble? Then, why alcohols are more soluble than corresponding hydrocarbons or hydrocarbons? This solubility, friends, we have to discuss in water. Corresponding hydrocarbon, once again, the same thing I told you in fourth question, that comparison is to be done with the molecules having similar molecular masses. But here we are not considering any example, because here we have to just compare the solubility of alcohol and hydrocarbon. Once again, you have to remember two factors which we can consider for solubility. For solubility, factors for solubility are two. First factor is, friends, polarity. And the second factor is, friends, once again the same, intermolecular molecular hydrogen bond. Now you can understand why I have taken these two questions together, because friends, both have the same points to be understand. Once again, friends, same thing in alcohol. In alcohol compounds, we find polarity. Polarity is oxygen partial positive charge, hydrogen partial negative charge. OH bond is polar. As well as friends, in water also, H plus, this is O2 minus and H plus. This type of polarity is also present in water, friends. And always remember, friends, always remember, this is normal law of solubility, that polar substances or solutes dissolves in polar solvents. This is a very basic rule. So polar substance or polar solute dissolve in polar solvent. Here alcohol is polar, water is polar, water is solvent, alcohol is solute. So alcohol can easily dissolve in, friends, or soluble in, friends, water. If we go for the hydrocarbon, hydrocarbon, as you know, friends, has two component, hydrogen and carbon. Hydrogen and carbon, both the substances or both the elements have very little difference in their electronegativity, or we can ignore it, and that's why polarity is absent there. We can say they are non-polar. So non-polar substance cannot dissolve or soluble in polar solvent water. Here water is polar, alcohol is polar, so dissolving is possible. Here water once again is polar, but hydrocarbon is non-polar, and that's why dissolving is not possible there. So we can conclude that, friends, hydrocarbons are insoluble in water, whereas alcohols are soluble in water. Also, friends, the same thing of intermolecular hydrogen bond. Here, intermolecular hydrogen bonds are absent, whereas here in alcohol, intermolecular bonds are present. And that's why, friends, we can conclude that alcohols are more soluble in water compared to hydrocarbons. Thank you.